As you can see, we have another Nike box. Just do it. What came out recently? To me, is something I've been one more of the Dunk silhouette. I did not do good getting the red and white, Dunk lows. You know how everybody had the Nordstrom debacle. But these right here were good. Second place. Another infant size. Just throw that down there. You don't need that. I have a 10C Nike Dunk Low SP. And boy, I'll tell you what. These right here are a hit. The quality on here is nice. Now it looks like they cut the leather pretty quick. I can describe that in other Raygon video. It's one of my first YouTube videos. That sometimes smaller material, smaller silhouette. The size is minimalized, so there'll be a little bit inconsistencies here and there on some things, like a little glue stain. See a little glue stain there. It's nothing that I'll rub away. Same thing with the Ray Guns. Same thing. It's nothing. The stitching on here is great. The cuts of the leather are pretty good as well. Only kind of little disparity is like right there. You see that little pinch? That's where they ended the sewing. But if I would give this a quality rating, I would say 9 out of 10. 9.5. It's definitely up there. There's no unique insole pattern, anything like that. It doesn't have a thicker tongue, obviously, because maybe you do got a kid that skateboards, like goes hard. But this is not the Dunk SB, so it's not gonna have any cushion tongue. But what I will say about these, ladies and gentlemen, if you had the opportunity to get these, I paid $64 for these. I'm gonna hold these. Right now they're selling for $124. Double. These are a great hold to me. For $50, I'll hold these though. The Ray Guns I didn't hold, I ended up selling. But these right here, I'm gonna hold. The Ray Guns were nice. Maybe I wanted to build my customer base, so don't regret it. This is a really nice shoe. Just the yellow and the green, perfect. Sprite. Get a little Sprite outfit for the little lady, little guy. You'd be all set to go. But that's a quick little review for y'all today, man. Have any questions about these shoes? If you're interested, let me know. I will be charging, though, guys. It's not gonna be StockX payout. Please don't do that. But link in the description to the eBay account. Link in the description also to the sneaker_swerve Instagram account. Please follow. We have limited GR shoes that are kind of not easy to find. I always beat StockX pricing. That's after fees and all that, shipping, all that together. I'll still beat it. So if you get a chance to shop with me, please do. And also DM me on sneaker_swerve and let me know that you watched the video. And that's where you kind of got interested in, and be able to hook you up with a little bit of deal, something like that. But for right now, this is it. Another great job, Nike. Appreciate it. FYI, these don't come with extra laces, just to let you know, if anybody was wondering. But these are definitely a hit. These I might keep these for my little man, but I don't got a little man, so I probably have to start planning that. But most likely I will sell these. Most likely, I don't like keeping shoes just to hoard them outside. I like to give people memories. That's the best thing. So if you're interested, let me know. Comes in your typical Nike box. Shout out to Nike. Please stop using the Just Do It tape. Real talk. Please just give us some stickers instead of that and just use basic tape. That would be the best thing you could do for us. But Shout outs to everybody watching. Appreciate it. Like, subscribe. Let me know what I need to do. I'm going to have upload some other videos that are kind of late on. So things might not be in release order, but I do have some nice up close and personal looks of some tennis shoes that you might enjoy. So thank you. Please subscribe.